Hello and welcome to our FAQ of the week, and this week's question is, what is the difference between create a branded video and your branded video capture link? At the core of our platform, we have our branded video software. This technology allows you to completely brand your videos all with the click of a button. Once you have recorded or uploaded your video from whatever device you may be on, now you will select your customizations such as background music, the graphics you want your video to open and close on, and then the software will automatically produce this video for you. Once the video is ready, you can then download it so that you can natively post it to wherever it needs to go, whether that be your social media, your YouTube page, or your Google My Business page. So that is our branded video tool. Basically, in a nutshell, this is going to be content that you have already on your device, or you're going to sit down and record right then and there. Now, what your branded video capture link does is allows you to capture content outside of your own. Let's say you have a business partner, a coworker, or even a friend who has some expert tips to give, and you want them to do a video for you. In this case, you would want to send them your branded video capture link. All you need to do is send them the URL right in this bar right here, and they'll have access to this page to record a video for you. You can even customize the verbiage on this page to help guide the topic of the video. And the best part about this is once they've recorded and submitted some content for you, it will appear in your branded video library where you can customize it with all of the same tools that you can customize your own content. That is basically the difference between our Create a Branded Video and our Branded Video Capture link. If you want to try this out yourself completely free for 2 weeks, visit our website at www.autovideoengage.com. Happy video marketing, everyone!